இது நம்ம ஐயா கோச்சிங் சென்டர். வாங்க படிக்கலாம்.
இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. Thank you.
Hi everybody. Today let us see fork-line method for gamete formation. See what is the use of this method? No, to find out the composition of factor inside the gamete. See, this is a male gamete, that is a female gamete, and this method is used to find out the factor, what type of allele is present in the gamete. See, now let us take an example. Capital A, capital B, small b. See, how many types of gametes can be formed in this? 4 types of gamete. I'll explain how 4 types of gamete. See, to find out the gamete, you can use this method, that is the fork-line method. See here, first you have tried this capital A, and then you have tried this small a. See, then this capital B here, and then small b, same capital B, then small b. See, now capital A with capital B, one gamete. Capital A with the small b, another gamete. Small a with the capital B, one gamete. Small a with small b, another gamete. So, all these are 1 by 4, that is 25%. 1 by 4, 25%. 1 by 4, 25%. 1 by 4, 25%. So, like this only, gametes are formed. See, 4 types of gametes are formed. Next you will see how to find out this. How many types of can be formed? The type of gametes according to phenotypic category. Types of gametes according to phenotypic category. Phenotypic category. So you can use the formula 2 to the power n. 2 to the power n. You must know what is mean by n. N is number of hybrid character or heterozygous pair. N is number of hybrid character or heterozygous pair. Heterozygous pair. Now we will see this. So you can take this as an example. Thus capital A, small a, capital B, small b. You can see this is heterozygous. This is also heterozygous. So now you must find out the n. How many heterozygous here? You can see here 1, 2. 2. So number of heterozygous pair is 2, or number of hybrid characters also 2. So 2 to the power 2. See, 2 to the power, now we are using the formula 2 to the power 2, that is equal to 4. So how many gametes are formed? 4 types of gametes are formed. This only shown here. Okay. Next, to find out the genotype, we can use this formula 3 to the power n. So n is already I have explained, number of that is heterozygous pair or number of hybrid character. You can see how many? 2 heterozygous pair. So 3 into 3 to the power 2, that is equal to 9. Then zygote, that is a number of zygote produced by selfing. Selfing, this one, number of zygote produced by selfing. See, capital A, capital B, small b. You can easily find out. How to find out the number of zygote? You can use the formula 4 to the power n. So again the n represents 2. So 4 into 4, how much? 16. Like this, whatever it is given, you can find out. Suppose this is one example we have seen. We can take this also an example. Capital A, capital B, capital C, small c. You can take this as an example. I'll explain now. First you have to find out the phenotype, that is 2 to the power n. So n represents, see, one heterozygous pair, 1 pair, second pair, third pair. So 2 to the power 3. Then what will be the answer? 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. Phenotypic category. Next, genotypic category, you have to use the formula 3 to the power n. So that is 3n. Then that is 3 to the power n. Then what is the n here? 1, 2, 3. So 3 into 3. What is the answer? 18. Then number of zygote when selfing this same, capital A with the small a, capital B with the small b, capital C with the small c. See what is the formula? Number of zygotes, that is 4 to the power n. Then what is n here? Again same, 3. See, n is 3 in all. 3. That is 4 into 4 into 4. That is answer is 64. Like this, if question is asked, means you can use this formula and you can find out easily. Okay. Let us see this question. A parent is heterozygous at 3 gene loci. How many different types of gametes can it form? See, a parent is heterozygous at how many gene loci? 3 gene loci. See, for example, you can draw this homologous chromosome. Capital A, small a, capital B, small b, capital C, small c. Now you can write capital A, small a, capital B, small b, capital C, small c. See how many heterozygous? 3 heterozygous gene at the same loci. See here, it's located on the same loci. Now, how many different types of gametes can it form? So, types of gamete or phenotypic category. Already I gave the formula. What is that? 2 to the power n. What is n? Number of heterozygous pair. How many heterozygous pair you can see? 1, 2, 3. You can see this is 1 dominant, 1 recessive, 1 dominant, 1 recessive. So, how many heterozygous? 3 heterozygous. So, 2 to the power 3. So, 2 into 2 into 2. So, what is the answer? 8. So, the answer is, suppose the option is given, they have given the option A 2, B 3, C 6 and D 8. Now, what is the correct answer? D 8. Next question. When heterozygous tall is crossed with homozygous tall, what is the result? Progenies. We can see that is heterozygous tall, capital T into capital T small t into homozygous tall, capital T, capital T. See, gametes. Then in F1 generation, you can see F1 generation, what is the percentage of heterozygous as well as homozygous tall? You can see F1, that is capital T, small t, capital T, capital T. Now you find out the answer from this checkerboard. See, this is also how much? Equal. See, 2, 2. So, how many percentage? Both 50%.